Assalamu alaikum, dear students of level 6. This is your teacher Hina from FGS Campus 9. Dear students, I'm going to discuss two duas with you, but one dua is for the girls and other is for the boys. First dua, which is dua when looking into a mirror, it is only for the girls, and it is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allahumma anta hassanta khalqi fahassin khuluqi. Translation is, O Allah, you have made my body beautiful, so beautify my character also. So now its importance is, this dua has great importance in our life because by reciting this dua, we are thanking Allah. So and the question is, why are we thanking Allah? We are actually thanking Allah. We are grateful to Allah because He made us in a very, very perfect form. Allah Ta'ala made us without any imperfection, and now we are asking Allah to make our character also beautiful. Okay, the way we look externally beautiful, so similarly by reciting this dua we are asking Allah to make our internal heart, make our nerves in the same way beautiful, right beta? Because the beauty of character is the most important thing, right? Physically we all are perfect. Physically Allah Ta'ala, He has made us in a very, very perfect form, in a very, very acceptable form, and humans are superior to all the other creatures of Allah. So for this thing we must be grateful to Allah that He gave us the superiority over His entire creatures, all the other creatures. So through this dua you are asking to Allah to make you beautiful internally, and to make your character that character which is actually liked by Allah. ठीक है, वो कैरेक्टर जो अल्लाह ताला चाहते हैं कि हर मुसलमान का हो, तो यू आर आस्किंग अल्लाह टू मेक योर दैट कैरेक्टर. ठीक है, विच इज़ वेरी, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू गेट एंट्री इन टू द जन्ना एज वेल. Okay, I'm sure this is clear to you. Its importance is not that much difficult. Keywords are given to you. I'm sure you can make the sentences. Now this dua is for the boys, not for the girls. Dua is dua when entering a mosque. Allahumma ftahli abwaba rahmatik. Translation is, O Allah, open for me the doors of your mercy. So you are going to start it like this, that this dua is important in our life. Yeah, this dua holds great importance because as we all Muslims know that masjid is the house of Allah. Masjid is the house of Allah. It is the place where we worship. It is the place where we offer prayer. It is the place where we recite Holy Quran, where Muslim people, they spend the last 10 days of Ramzan to make Allah happy, ठीक है, for the sake of worship, right beta? So it is actually the praise, it is actually the place of praise to worship Allah. It is the house of Allah, ठीक है, you are already aware of it. So the purpose of this dua is to ask mercy of Allah, ठीक है, and as masjid is the house of Allah which is completely filled with blessings and bounties, so by reciting this dua you are actually asking Allah to have His mercy upon you, right? And you are asking Allah to make yourself visit this visit this bountiful place again and again, ठीक है. So through this dua we are asking, या boys अगर आप लिख रहे हैं तो you can write like this कि this dua has great importance in our life, and masjid, this place has great importance in the life of a Muslim as well. And whenever we enter masjid, so before getting entry into the masjid, at that time we must recite this dua, because by reciting this dua we actually ask Allah's mercy, and without Allah's mercy nothing is अचीवेबल, नथिंग इज़, आप क्या कह सकते हैं कि किसी चीज़ का, यानी कि ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ यूजलेस, ठीक है, विदाउट अल्लाह's मर्सी. सो इट इज़ वेरी, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिसाइट दिस दुआ, टू आस्क फॉर अल्लाह's मर्सी, टू आस्क हिज ब्लेसिंग्स, टू आस्क हिज बाउंटीज़ एंड द बाउंटीज़ एंड ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ द मस्जिद एज वेल, ठीक है. एंड बाय रिसाइटिंग दिस दुआ एक्चुअली यू आर आस्किंग अल्लाह टू मेक योर सेल्फ विजिट दिस प्लेस अगेन एंड अगेन. ओके, नाउ द असाइनमेंट इज़, first question is which is for the girls. Write down the importance of dua when looking into mirror. So girls, they will be writing the importance of dua, ठीक है, and boys will be writing the importance of dua before entering the mosque. Okay, and beta, before writing the importance of these duas, leave one page, ठीक है. जैसे girls हैं, before writing the importance of this dua, you have to you will be leaving one page, because on that page you will have to paste, आपको paste करनी होगी the photocopy of the dua, ठीक है, right बेटा. So same thing will be done by the boys as well. If you still have any query, you can ask from me. Okay बेटा, thank you so much.